What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And first off, let me just say thanks to all the people who have watched my videos throughout this year, because I just started this YouTube journey and I'm coming up on a year and we're already at 5K subscribers. So we'd like to grow that a little bit more. If you like what we're doing here on the set, I appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below on the video, so it helps us get more eyes on these things of what we're doing here on the set. But hey, enough of all that. Let's get into what we're here for today. As you know, if you've been watching any content on this channel in recent months, I guess, we've been gearing more towards the electronic side of the set. Again, which we all know the set is sneakers, electronics, and toys, right? So we've been gearing more towards the electronics portion of it. But hey, bro, we got to get back into the sneakers because, again, that's what we're here for. But with that being said, I did a thing. Not a major thing, to say the least, but there is a method to my madness for this one, right? Now, we all know that retro J's are the most not comfortable thing. Stylish as hell, right? But they are not comfortable. So, got vacation coming up. Want to make sure I'm nice and stylish and comfy at the same time for those long days while we're at Disneyland, California. Yeah, that part. Want to make sure that I'm comfortable, right? So I reached out to my brother. He purchased the Luka 3s, right? And he said, yo, these are crazy comfortable and I can wear these all day. So I said, let's see. So we picked up the Luka 3s. That's what we picked up in the TB colorway, which is the Team Bank, right? Which, again, this is just a basic colorway that they come out so schools can have more flexibility with their uniforms and all that good stuff, right? Boy, was I surprised. Now, when I took these shoes out the box, I noted that the material here on the toe box was different. Not leather, it's like a synthetic fabric, right? Which is cool, but what I do worry about in this colorway is how long is I'm gonna be able to keep this clean, and how hard is it gonna be for me to clean this. Now, we all know that this is a performance basketball shoe, obviously, because it's Luka Doncic, right? But upon further review, this shoe could actually pass as a casual sneaker. It really can. So, and that's what we're going for with this one. So I'm going to wear these the entire 5 days that we are gone on vacation, right? I've already put them on, and you can check out the on foot here. I actually like the style of them. I like when I look down at them, I like the actual way it looks on the toe box. And yes, I did do a lace swap with the white and the black in these. So yeah, I actually like these. Now, these are a shoe that for all intents and purposes are not on anybody's radar unless you're a hooper or something like that. These are not on anybody's radar, but I'm telling you, I didn't believe it. Like, my brother did a whole video series on these where he actually did a review on them. He told you how comfortable they were, and he actually did a wear test all day long out with the family and let you know how comfy this shoe was. Now, I'm older than he is, and I got some miles on these things. I was in the military for quite some time. Retired out of the military, right? So I got some wear on these feet. Now, he got some wear on his too from his job, but I don't think he got as much wear as I have on mine. So when I'm wearing a pair of sneakers, they can get uncomfortable really quick. With these, I haven't noticed that. So I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen on vacation, on whether these things are really going to hold up against the ground, the pavement out at Disneyland, California. Now, I mean, so to speak, with the box, man, it wasn't nothing special in this box, bro. The standard fare for a Luka Doncic sneaker. We got the stripes, we got the Luka logo there, We got the box tag here. Yes, I normally wear a size 12, but I actually had to go up in these to a 13 because the 12 was a bit too snug on these. So again, these aren't really true to size, maybe, but I'm half and half. Most of the time I have to get a 12, and sometimes like in my Jordan 11s I had to get a 13. So if you're looking for that, these are, for me, they weren't true to size. I had to go up a whole size because they didn't have any half sizes, so went up to a 13, and bro, they fit perfect. Now, is this shoe really a steal at 130 bucks? I say absolutely. Now, for the Speedway version that I have coming later, I didn't even pay that. I messed around and caught a sale where the sneaker was 50% off. Now, they was taxing for the shipping. I had to admit that. They were super taxing on the shipping, but we still got the shoe at half off. So I paid $130 for these. Actually, I paid less than that with the military discount at Dick's. And then 50% off on the Speedway version. So realistically, for the price of maybe actually a little less than a pair of J's these days, or retros, I got 2 pair of shoes. That's actually comfy. That's actually somewhat stylish. And in the off chance that I just wanted to get out there and test these bum ass knees, I can go hoop in these too. So win-win situation for me, if you ask me. So I'll probably do a short or some sort, or maybe a diary video or whatever, to let you guys know how the progress is with these. But enough of that. These shoes are absolutely bananas. Now, I gotta be honest, I have 2 pair. I have these, and I have the Speedway colorway coming up. I think it's the Speedway. It's all black and white, right? So it's predominantly black with hints of white in those. It's the opposite of these. So I have those coming, and we're gonna do a review, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison on those too. So I don't know which ones I'm gonna wear. I think I'm probably gonna wear these since they're more flexible with that. Plus, it's white. They go with everything, right? I mean, so does black, but you know what black Air Force Ones do for you, right? I'm just saying. But the details on these they're subtle, right? And that's what you want in a sneaker like this, right? You want that subtleness, right? And these have a Cushlon outsole, or for the cushion there, instead of the Formula 23, which I think the Formula 23 cushion was really just Cushlon anyway. So, but yeah, pretty basic sneaker, but the traction pad on that, the traction on the outsole is crazy. Not that I'm gonna be using that or anything, but if you are a hooper, you best believe you can be able to stop on a dime. Now, I think that this will collect a lot of dust. This portion here will collect a lot of dust, so you'll be wiping your feet. I remember those days. One day, I'll be able to hoop again. I ain't talking about it if I don't, but I do believe that this is a solid basketball shoe, and what we're going here is for the comfort factor. Will this shoe hold up? Yet to be determined, but for what my brother said, I think they're good to go. So we're gonna test them out, man. This has been another quick hit on a sneaker pickup of the Luka 3 in the TV colorway. We did that lace swap, man. Let me know down in the comment section, man, which one y'all like better, the black or the white? I don't know. I'm old school. Hell, I might just rock both of them. I think that black makes the shoe pop a whole lot more. But yeah, man, excited to get into these, man. Yeah, we gonna see, man. So that being said, man, I'm gonna get on out of here, bro. We're gonna bring you guys another video with the Speedway colorway, and then we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison with the two. Let me know down in the comment section about the laces. Also, in the comment section, let me know whether I'm off my shit and I'm just buying a random Jordan just because, or these are something that this year is actually worth picking up, even if you're not a hooper. So let me know down in the comment section below, man. I'm your boy Money Matt. Back to the sneakers here on the set. We got some more stuff coming, man. I'm gonna get on out of here. Y'all go do something important with your life, as I will too. I'm gone. Peace.